Getting started with Quotaway could not be simpler. From the sign-in page, simply fill in all your details, including your email, and create a password, and then click on the accept terms and conditions and sign up. This will send you an email that all you need to do is open it up. If it's not in your inbox, just double check. It might have gone to your junk or spam box, which unfortunately it has in this case. And then open up the email and you'll see on line 1, just have a read through the details and then click the link to verify your email. That will take you straight back into the Quotaway. You've verified and then you can simply log in. First things we're going to do is get your profile page set up. So just go through the wizard, add in all your details, including the country code in your phone number because you need that for your WhatsApp. And you can also add your website address in there too. Click next and then upload a profile picture. This will be shown on the quote right at the bottom. So find a nice picture of yourself, add that in, and then write a little bit of a blurb about yourself or about your company. Okay, this is just a good introduction. Again, this will be shown on the quote page. So just write something nice and simple. Click next. Now it's time to upload your social medias. So you can add Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, or Trustpilot links in there. And then let's add some pictures. So the cover image is basically the same as your Facebook business page cover image. So download that and upload it onto the page. Add your company name in and then also your logo. Try and stick to the widths. So it's 250 by 50 for your logo. These are all in pixels. You can also add your consortia name. So you may be with Hayes Travel, for instance. You can add that in there and put the Hayes Travel logo on as well, which will be shown at the bottom of the quote. Also, you've got the ability to toggle one of the bottoms things for if you're ABTA or PTS protected. Click next, and there you go. Simple as that. Now you can go and create your first quote. So it's very important to visit the public sites of either EasyJet, TUI, or Jet2. Go on to one of the holiday pages and click on the URL, copy that, and add it into the box. Click next, and then it's about a 35-second wait for it to do its thing with the AI and find all the information about that holiday and add it into the quote form as you see here. First, you can add in the guest details. So their name, their email and telephone number is very important because it means you can automatically send the quote to them. Again, using the country code, so it will send it via WhatsApp. Next step is very important to just go through the details it's pulled through. It is using an AI system, so it's never, maybe, well, hopefully it's 100%, but sometimes it does miss out the odd thing. So it's really important just to go and have a quick look through. Like on this, it's missed out the luggage and departure details, transfer details, sorry. So just add in the luggage details there. And remember, you can edit any part of the quote, any of the details that come through as well. So just by simply adding those details there, then you can also double check all the pricing. And sometimes, especially with EasyJet, it pulls through as 60 per person instead of 120 if it was the full price. Then up the top, click preview and it will show you your first quote. It's that simple, that quick to make your quote. Go through, have a look at all the details. You've got all your details at the bottom. This is basically what the guests will see, so they can email you and WhatsApp you. They can also, if they want to change anything, click needs changing, add in some details, and that will send you an email. You're right at the top, they've got the ability to share via WhatsApp or send you an email, and also copy the link that they can share on their social media if they want to send it with friends and family, for instance. Simply by going back to the tab, you can then add new bits. So maybe you wanted to regenerate the summary. This is all done with AI. Or maybe you wanted to add some more details for maybe on the board type or room type. Simply by typing in that box and then clicking on the plus sign, it will add in more details. You've also got the pictures. If you wanted to say maybe make one of the pictures the default image, so the main image that shows up on the quote, click on it, set as default, and that will then move it all around. You can also delete images from there and add new images for using the plus sign. At the bottom, you can also double check the currency and then the feedback button. So you might have seen at the bottom of that quote, that little box. where the guest can fill in information. That's where it will come to, as well as your email, and the ability to create a social media post, as well as showing the original URL from that holiday. Really important, after anything you do, click Save Quote. And then at the top in the menu, you've got quotes that will show you all of the quotes you've done, including on there a little icon that looks like a Facebook icon to help you make a social media post. You've got all the images on the left-hand side. Click Generate, and it will create some nice text for your social media. Simply copy and paste that into a Facebook post, for instance, or Instagram. Also, good idea to double check your profile. You can change any of these details at any time. We've also added a box in there where you could take the link from your website for the booking terms and conditions that you can just simply copy and paste in there, and it will show up at the bottom of the quote. And it's simple as that.